Kyle Mounts here with an overnight update on our storms moving through parts of central Indiana, and there is still a severe weather threat, but I would say that's really focusing over southwestern portions of the state, basically from around Rockville to Seymour and areas southwest. Not to say that northeast of that can't see an isolated strong to severe storm, but you can also see that the highest impact would come from some gusty winds and some flooding potential, still just that isolated tornado threat as we go through the overnight. So here's TrueCast. By 3 o'clock in the morning, you can see the bulk of the thunderstorm activity south of I-70 at that point and continuing to quickly move off to the south and east. So by the morning drive, really should be fairly quiet weather in place. Can't rule out another shower or isolated thunderstorm through the day on Tuesday. We'll keep mostly cloudy skies for much of the day and temperatures in the lower 80s. It is still going to be on the muggy side until a cold front sweeps through. Here's a look at TrueCast showing you a few of those showers, very hit and miss and not going to add up to a whole lot as we go through our Tuesday afternoon and evening. And beyond that, we get rid of the humidity and those temperatures a little cooler, near average for this time of year though, with highs in the lower 80s. 7-day planning forecast, it does heat up as we look ahead toward next weekend with a chance for a few showers on Saturday.